Hi, I'm Michael Tomar, the Penny and Jeff Vinnick Executive Director of the Tampa Museum of Art, and we are so excited to have you all here to witness and be part of the great plans we have for the Tampa Museum of Art's future. I am thrilled to announce that we will be embarking on an ambitious renovation of the museum this spring, increasing exhibition space and education facilities to accommodate growing community partnerships and allow more hands-on, up-close experiences for students and adults. The right sizing of our facilities is part of a long-term strategic plan to meet the needs of our prolific community partnerships and education programs. We are thrilled that our board and community are still interested in investing in the museum and making our continued growth possible. To speak more about our partnership with the City of Tampa and the community, I'm pleased to introduce City of Tampa Mayor Jane Castor.
Hi, I'm Jane Castor, the Mayor of Tampa. As a Tampa native, I could not be more excited about what's transpiring across this great city. I often say Tampa is going to change more in the next 10 years than it has in my entire lifetime, and that couldn't be more true. Our arts and culture scene is critical to that growth. Back in the 1920s, a small local arts organization laid the foundation for what has become one of the Tampa Bay region's most cherished landmarks. But it was not TMA's incredible architecture that earned it accreditation by the American Alliance of Museums. Over the course of 100 years, leadership at the Art Museum built a world-class organization by developing activities within its walls to impact our great city in life-changing ways. The power of arts, of culture, of our diversity defines us as a city, and we embrace that every single day. We at the City of Tampa believe that the arts are a key ingredient in making strong communities. And strong communities are at the core of great cities. The museum's commitment to providing engaging exhibitions and educational programs brings us all together. TMA makes Tampa strong. Now the museum needs to expand in order to continue its mission. It also means that people throughout our region have a place to witness the power of human expression and embrace unique cultural experiences.
Renovating the museum to create additional space will mean that lots of different communities will be able to walk through our doors and see themselves 365 days a year. Right now, the museum does an exemplary job of making sure that they're able to cycle through different community assets and cultural representations. But this renovation means that when anyone walks through the door, there'll be something that can resonate with them, that they can see themselves. And so expanding the museum means expanding the doors for all of our community members. It is vital for the people of Tampa to see themselves as a part of the city, and that begins with the Tampa Museum of Art. The next 10 years are critical for community engagement and to set the pace for the museum's next 100 years.
I think arts and culture is important to every community, and Tampa has stepped up now and is putting emphasis on art and culture, which I'm a big cheerleader. I think it's fantastic, the growth that we've made and the steps that we've taken. I see it becoming a real cornerstone for the community. I think we've started, and I just hope that trend continues, because no institution has any weight unless the community is involved and wants to be involved and has a real interest and passion about it. And hopefully, with our school programs and our outreach programs and the classes that we're teaching now, that there'll be a vibrancy that will stay with the museum for a long, long time, and we can continue to build on that.
I want to thank you all for the immense support and collaborative efforts that have helped develop the Tampa Museum of Art over the years. We would love for you to be part of this renovation to further expand our outreach to the community and continue establishing the Tampa Museum of Art as a cultural influence in Tampa for many, many more years to come.